today I'm going to do a little compounding. Actually, I'm going to do a little taping, So compounding, I'm going to do a little taping. I'm going to have two review, one on these for the corner, for two. I'm going to give that a review right here, 1 or 2. As you can see, this is brand new. And I'm going to give a review on this auto taper. So that's going to be 2 separate videos. Okay, we're going to use the tape, the auto taper. So you put the tape right here, blue tape, and the compound right here. Mix the compound here. Let's see, make sure the tape goes. Yeah, it's gotta go this way. Okay, the whole tape here. They said you can fit a few over on tape. Actually, this is pretty tight. It's pretty tight. I'm pretty sure it goes this way, alright? If I did something wrong, let me know, alright? Pretty sure that's how it goes. I'm going to give it a review on that. And I guess you put the compound in here, but compound's still a little too thick for taping. And I'm going to use the compound for a couple of different functions, so I'm going to add one to it. Mix it up. Like I said, I never buy any fancy taper for just taping drywall because that's unnecessary money spent, but I'm just going to do it just for this video. Okay, she put the compound in here. Go to the power like it. Okay. As you can see, when you pull it out, it's actually compound is already right on it. Problem is, it's actually a little heavier than I thought because all the compound's in there. Problem is, a long strip, I can't even strip how long it is. I can't even measure how long it is. It's $8. Put it up in the water. Let's get a compound right here. Okay. I only did like, I couldn't even do one whole strip with that because it's a little bit, I couldn't even do one whole strip with that. As you can see, it's stopped right here because I can't detect how long it is. Now I'm going to do without the auto compounding. And this is the auto compounding I'm going to do on this side wall. Okay, side is the wall. We'll do the auto compound and see how fast compared to that. Got my tape here. So like this, we're going to do the auto compound without. We're going to do the compound without the auto compound. You want to put a lot of it, and you want to squeeze it out. Tape, you don't need to measure it. Yeah. Come on. Are you recording with it? You're on tape. Come on, keep it on. come in. No air bubble, no nothing. And then you go, see, then you go like that. See, manually, how I see it manually, you're doing a much better job. You get the exact length you want without ripping it out, and then put it on while it's still wet. See, the auto taping, I won't recommend it, okay? Because you see how fast I did that? Compared to that one is much slower. It actually slowed my work down. So I'd rather prefer taping my stuff. And it's perfect. No air bubble, no nothing. Okay? And if you like my video, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you.